Right, I am on the problem on your worksheet for the math that says camp canteen, and it has pictures of different items, and there's like word problems to solve with how much everything costs. Sometimes a canteen is like a store or a small market. I have a problem here similar. I've got a hamburger for $3.50, a hot dog for $2, French fries for $1.50, and a pop for $1. And my question I came up with was, if I buy a hamburger, fries, and a pop, how much will that cost? First, we need to underline it for redraw, right? So I bought a hamburger, fries, and a pop, and I want to know how much it will cost. And I'll put down it will cost blank dollars. Okay, so now I just need to add it up probably. And I could draw out my 350. Let's see, how would I draw this? I don't know, hamburger plus a fry plus a pop. Gosh, how did I draw that before? A pop, and I've got 350 plus, let's see, fries are $1.50 plus a pop is $1. So I just line all that up. And remember, when you're doing decimals, when you're adding, the decimal needs to be lined up because it really means that you're lining up the place values. So 350 plus $1.50 plus $1 gives us, let's see, 0 plus 0 plus 0, add up the hundredths first. 5 plus 5 is 10, which means I've got a 0 in the tenths, drop the decimal, carry a 1. 1 plus 1 is 2, plus another 1 makes 3, and 3 makes 6, which would mean that would cost me $6 total for a hamburger, fries, and a pop. I wonder if that's actually real. I honestly don't go to McDonald's hardly ever, so I have no idea what like the going rate for a hamburger is right now. It seems reasonable, but I don't know. Okay, and the second question I came up with was, I paid with a $10 bill. How much do I get back in change? So I paid with $10, and I want to know how much I will get in change. I'm going to box that. How much do I get back in change? So if I draw here a picture, move this screen down just a little bit. I've got, let's see, how would I draw this? I could draw out a tape diagram where I have a total of 10, and part of that is 6, and I want to know what the other part is. So I will subtract because I've just got one minus the other. So $10 minus $6, line up that decimal because you're really lining up those place values. 0 minus 0, 0 minus 0, drop the decimal. 10 minus 6 is 4, which means I should get back $4, at least in Washington I would, because that is not tax on food in Washington. You could also come up with a problem, I'm going to erase this right now, where you said something like a multiplication problem. If I bought, oh, let's say I want to buy 5 hamburgers. 5 hamburgers. How much would I pay? Okay, so in this one, we'll underline it really quick. 5 hamburgers, question, how much would I pay? My tape diagram, I've got 5 sets of hamburgers, 1 hamburger, 2 hamburgers, 3 hamburgers, 4 hamburgers, and 5 hamburgers, and they're each worth $3.50. So I'll put that here, $3.50, $3.50, $3.50, $3.50, and $3.50. And I want to know how much total I'm paying. I would be multiplying, so $3.50 times 5, because I'm buying 5 hamburgers. And when you're multiplying things with decimals, you don't have to line them up. you worry about the decimal at the end. So I'm just going to multiply it like I would normally would a 3 by a 1-digit multiplication problem. So 5 times 0 is 0. 5 times 5 is 25. Drop the 5, carry the 2. 5 times 3 is 15, plus 2 makes 17. And now I count my decimals. I have 2 decimal places to move, 1, 2, which means that I'm going to move over 2 here, 1, 2. So I put my decimal right there, and my answer is $17.50. Now, you could have added up 350 5 times, but multiplying is usually a little bit faster, a little bit simpler. So that is how you can solve those canteen problems. Just watch that decimal because those all have decimals in them. And if you have any questions, feel free once again to call me or email, and I will help you out.